You want to automate your home lab? n8n got you covered. So welcome to another episode of ILTPWC, the channel that teaches you everything awesome you can do with computers. My name is Christian, and in this episode we are diving deep into the world of automation. n8n, an open source software that you can self-host on your server to automate nearly everything. This powerful, extendable workflow automation tool can transform the way you operate your home lab, small business, or like in my case, your social media or YouTube engagement. n8n allows you to connect anything to everything, opening a world of opportunities for data synchronization and automation. Imagine being able to automate your data backups, ensuring you never lose an important file, or perhaps you want your Google Calendar events to sync with your project management tool. Maybe you want your Git updates to be automatically posted on Discord. These are just a few of the countless possibilities that n8n brings to the table. The visual interface makes building these workflows a breeze, even if you're new to automation. Getting n8n up and running is straightforward. For Docker users, simply pull the n8n image from Docker Hub and run a container. If you prefer manual installation, you can install it using npm following the instruction on the official documentation, which I have linked in the video description. Okay, and now where n8n truly stands out is in its user interface and the expansive library of nodes. These nodes are the building blocks to integrate an impressive array of over 200 apps and services. The drag and drop interface lets you visually craft your own workflows, making automation more accessible than ever. For those seeking for more depth, n8n lets you customize your workflows further with JavaScript, giving you the ability to create functions that fit your specific need. And for me, as someone who loves to code in Python, you can also include Python code into your workflows. But n8n isn't just a great tool, it is also backed by a vibrant community. You will find an extensive documentation and a range of tutorials to guide you along the way. And what's even cooler is that n8n operates on a fair code distribution model. While the majority of the software is available open source, there are paid plans for the cloud offering which provide additional features and convenience if you don't want to host it in the internet by yourself. Okay, now it's your turn. Get started with n8n today and see how it transforms your workflow and helps with automation. And if you like this video format, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit the subscribe button for more Homelab magic. Automate away! Thanks for watching and goodbye.